How to scan a check on Cash App. Now scanning a check on Cash App is very simple, and you'll also be able to go ahead and then deposit the check to your account. To be able to do that, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch Cash App and make sure to log into your account. Once you log into your account, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now from here, what you have to do is just come to the home tab that you can come from the bottom left, and from here you have to scroll and look for more ways to add money option. Under more ways to add money, you'll find the option called checks, so you can tap on the checks option. Here you can just enter the check amount and confirm it, and once done you can confirm the front of the check, the back of the check as well. Make sure to sign it and make sure to write Cash App deposit, then tap on confirm. Take the front side and the back side photo of the check, and once done you can tap the submit button there, and then once done the check will be deposited into your account. This way you will be able to scan a check on Cash App. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.